Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna have a December 2020 Stitch Fix unboxing. Oh, it's upside down. So it's time to open this up. If you want to know more about Stitch Fix, I will have a link down below from my first video that explains it more in detail. There's something furry in here. Here's my bundle. All right, let's start off. Let's see, these are Judy Blue jeans. I think I have this exact pair, so we're gonna try it on anyway, but we'll see. Ooh. Oh, well. Hey, Stitch Fix. This is nice. It feels like suede. I'm sure it's not real suede, but this is soft. It's a cute little vest. Huh, look at that. Very nice. All right, next item. This is a Leota dress. It looks a little busty. Not sure. It looks cute though. I'll try it on. Next item. Velvet. It looks like a thermal tee. And then the last item, Daniel Rain. This is cute. This is a cute top. Although it looks exactly like another top I have, but it would be worth trying on. I felt like that was really quick. Now I'm gonna read the note. Oh dear. Where's my magnifying glass? Oh snap. All right, I'm just gonna have to read it from this far. Hi Dee Dee, I'm so glad you love the Kate Spade dress. I think one universal thing among all the women I style is the love of dresses with pockets. Yes. Looking at your Pinterest, I saw a lot of off-white bohemian style, so I started off with a Daniel Rain scoop neck top, the coffee shop shearling vest, that's comfy, cozy, and stylish. The best of all worlds. Wear it over a lace fit and flare dress or a cozy sweater. I'm still on the lookout for your perfect jacket. They'll probably send it to me when springtime comes around and it'll just be too hot to wear. Enjoy trying everything on and be sure to let me know what you think. Yours in style, Jenna. P.S. Don't forget to check out our extras. We have some adorable face masks that will take your look to the next level. If we have to wear them to be safe, we might as well think of them as another way to accessorize. Yes, I own a lot of face masks and they all have different colors and designs. I don't have to use them much because I basically don't leave the house ever, but I'm all about looking stylish even if I have to wear one. Without further ado, I'm gonna go try these on. So this is outfit number 1, and voila, I wore 3 different items from the same box. The first item are the Judy Blue jeans. There's nothing like a comfortable pair of jeans. And when I brought these out of the box, I thought I actually had this pair. I don't. I have the same pair, but they are distressed. So these are the ones that are not distressed, and that's my excuse for wanting them. Very comfortable, very, you know, you put them on and you feel like you're wearing sweats because they're that comfortable. The brand Judy Blue is not super pricey. It's a pretty decently priced jean company, and I've been buying a lot of their jeans lately because who needs to spend $200 on a pair of jeans when you can get them much cheaper and better quality sometimes even, and they're just so comfortable. This thermal top I'm on the fence about, and the reason being is because I already have a thermal top from another brand, and the thing is it has this cute little slit. It's very comfortable, so I feel like if the price is right, I might keep this, but I'm on the fence about it. I love it, but because I have another one, I'm not sure if I want to keep this one. And then this lovely vest. It is the softest thing I've ever touched in my life. I like it. Not sure if I'm going to use it a lot, so I have to think about it for a few minutes. When I say a few minutes, it's probably like a week, but you know, I only have a few days before I have to return this if I don't want it. But it is very, very nice, and it's something that you can put on if you don't want to wear a sweater or a jacket and just slightly warm yourself up. It's also good to keep in the car when you go to a friend's house and you know their house is going to be cold. Not that we're going to anybody's houses. You never know. I'm going to try on the next outfit. This is the next top, and I like it a lot. The only reason why I'm on the fence about it is because I have a top almost similar. So I feel it's kind of like I don't know, it's kind of redundant for me to get the same thing, but I do love it. I think it's cute. I feel like it's kind of a waste, not just for money wise, but for the environment, for me to buy one more thing that looks exactly like another thing. Well, I mean, it's not exactly, but if I'm gonna go for like a beige flowy top, this is my default flowy top. So I don't know, we'll have to see the price. I'm gonna go try on the dress now. Here's the dress, and I love this dress, but it's not me. It looks great on me. I love the pattern, but I'm not the type of person to wear a dress like this. I think this is more for like, I don't know, somebody who's a bit more conservative, if you will, in their styling. But it is a beautiful dress. Someone could wear it to work, to a wedding, to a party, and it's very flattering. It fits very nicely, but it's just not, it's not me. I think if I had more of like a Stepford wife thing going, it would probably be me. You should watch the movie Stepford Wives. It's pretty funny. Okay. All right, so now that I tried everything on, we're gonna go through the price list, and that will kind of influence my decision because it's kind of on the fence about a lot of the things. So the first thing was the Daniel Rain Cora Scoop Neck 3/4 length sleeve in beige. This was really cute. I did compare it to another top I had, but they weren't exactly the same. And after I looked at myself closer in a mirror with this on, it looks pretty nice. And then I did like a little bit of a French tuck, and I might keep this. The price of this top is $64. So it's not bad, not bad. All right, the next thing on the list, is the Velvet by Graham Spencer V-neck thermal top in white. And I was thinking based on the price, whether or not I would keep it. It's $108. I don't think this is worth $108. It's just a thermal top. And like I said, I have another one like it. That wasn't $108. So I think I'm gonna have to send this one back. Like it's not that I won't spend money like that on a top. It's just that I feel like this top is not worth $108. That's all I'm saying. I'm not cheap, but I'm not stupid about my money either. This one I'm on the fence about, only because I don't know if I'm gonna even remember that I have it to put it on. So I'm kind of like, So whenever you're on the fence about something, it should be a no. This costs, well, let me tell you the description. Coffee Shop Lori Faux Fur Vest in light gray, $68, which is a great price, but I'm on the fence. And if I'm on the fence, I know I'm not gonna wear it. So that's gonna go bye-bye. The next thing is the Leota Libby Faux wrap knit dress in black. Like I said, this dress looks great on me, and it's a beautiful color. You know, the designs are pretty colors. It's just not me. I like more of like a boho hippie kind of look, and this was more like a tailored, sophisticated look. Not that I'm not sophisticated, but I just don't care for that type of look right now. Maybe in 10 years I might have a different taste, but I put it on, it was beautiful, but it didn't give me that joy that I would expect from something. I do love dresses though. So the last thing is the Judy Blue Anya straight leg jean in long, $61. Like I said, the Judy Blue jeans are very reasonable. I am about 90% sure I'm gonna get these. I just have so many of the Judy Blue jeans that I don't wanna I don't know, not sure. Not sure about that one. I might get it, I might not. I'm definitely getting this top though. This was really cute. So if I were to get everything, the total would be $389. Buy all discount, 25% off is the $97.25. So if I would have bought everything, I would have gotten the Velvet by Graham and Spencer thermal top almost for free. But like I said, if everything on here was great and I wanted it all, it would have been a done deal. It would have been a good price. Because it would end up being $291.75. But like I said, yeah, the dress, no. Yeah, I might get the jeans. I don't know. Does anyone have an opinion on this? I'll probably make my decision before you can even tell me what your opinion is. But like I said, I'm definitely getting the top, but the other stuff I'm a little bit on the fence about. Well, thank you so much for joining me in my Stitch Fix December 2020 unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment below to tell me what you thought about this box. I would really be interested in hearing any ideas you have for videos in the future, and when you hit that notification bell, you will be informed of the next video coming up. Thank you! Bye!